Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to track a thank you message without the thank you URL. As you can see here, I've stripped thank you message out. We'll be using this banner to track it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you have Google Tag Manager installed. Once that's done, you want to hop into your page and you want to do a test submission so we can get the elements we need to track it. The first thing you want to do is you want to inspect it, get to the message, right-click on the three dots and copy the selector. If there's an ID within here, so for example ID equals form success, you can use that too. We'll jump into that in a second. So first you want to do is you want to create a trigger. The trigger we're going to use is element visibility. So we'll go on here and we will say form submit trigger. As I said earlier, you can use either the ID or the CSS selector. Now in this situation, I'm using the CSS selector. So next thing you want to do is you want to click on some visibility elements, and you want to choose new variable. Now the reason we want to do this is we want to create a message variable to make sure that the message we're firing the tag on is the right one we want, because we don't want to fire the tag on a error message. So first you want to do is you want to create a function. And let's say message equals. Now, first thing you want to do is you want to right click on here, again, copy JS path. Now, here, you want something like this. Then you want dot inner text. If that doesn't work, try inner HTML, and if that doesn't work, try dot value. Usually inner text will work. We then want to return that message. And you just want to copy that message. Now we then want to save this. I want to say equals that. So now when that message appears, when that banner appears, if the message, inner text in the message equals the thank you message, the tag will then fire. Now the last thing we want to do is we want to set up a tag. Now you can hook whatever tag up you want this, whether it's a Facebook pixel, whether it's Google Ads, whether it's analytics. Now for our purpose, we're going to hook up a Google Analytics tag. I always use the page URL as either the action or label just to make sure that when I'm debugging it, if there's anything gone wrong, we can see that. Now for this, I'm just going to put a dummy tracker in. And let's preview it, and we should be good to go. And here we go. As we can see, it fired on event visibility. We'll see that thank you message is correct, the event is correct, and we are good to go.